Let's solve this initial equation that we have on the board. We are given that x raised to the power of 4 is equals to 100. We are asked to find the value of x. Very easy. Watch. Alright, we can represent this equation to be in the form x squared raised to the power 2 equals 10 squared. Of course, nothing has changed. Of course, x squared all raised to the power 2, according to the power law in indices or product power law in indices, if you multiply their powers, we are getting back x raised to the power of 4. Let's keep going. So if that be the case, 10 raised to the power 2 as well is equals to 100. Now we're going to transfer this 10 squared to this side of the equation, and mind you, when a positive number is crossing a equality sign, it changes to negative. The sign automatically changes. If that be the case, we're going to have it that x squared all raised to the power 2 minus 10 squared equals 0. We keep going. Applying the concept of difference of two squares here, we're just going to open two brackets, put plus in one and minus in the other one equals to 0. So here we have plus, or the minus here, and plus in the other one. So we have to now distribute our values, which is x squared here, since it is squared, then 10 here, 10 here, as you can see. Now, if the product of two numbers is equals to 0, that definitely means that either of these numbers should be equated to 0 for their product to be 0. In that case, we have either x squared minus 10 equals to 0 or x squared plus 10 equals 0. If we solve for the value of x in each of these equations here, we're going to have it that x squared is equals minus 10 will cross over the other side of the equation, becoming positive 10, and here x squared will be equals plus 10 crosses, becoming negative 10, as you can see. If we solve further to get the value of x here, of course we have to find the square root of both sides of the equation. Now, getting their square root, we're going to have that x is equals to square root plus or minus of 10, or here x equals square root plus or minus negative 10, as you can see. So in return, of course, we have gotten the value of x here as x equals plus or minus square root of 10, or square root of minus 10 is an imaginary number. So definitely our x is going to be plus or minus square root of 10i. Then I stands for the imaginary. So these are the two possible values of x that will satisfy the equation on the board. Bye-bye.